Welcome back into your Talking Fitchburg. I almost said Talking Fitchburg update. I'm just used to doing those updates. Ay. It is Tuesday, well, I'm done, Andrew. I'm done. You can.
How you doing there? It's Monday, and it's the Verona Road Construction Update.
That's live television at its finest here. All right. Thank you, Andrew, for that great introduction to this segment.
You're welcome.
Let's get right to your update here, as I promise not to screw up anything in the next 5 seconds. Verona Road from Verona Road underpass south of County PD north to Raymond Road. Nightly lane closures continuing here on these work limits, and it's 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Monday through Friday. So July 15th through the 19th, and again, they could expect some minor delays within these overnight lane closures. So please slow down for our workers out there. We also got this for you. And Verona Road traffic continues to be on the interchange ramps at Williamsburg Way. So plan for extra time and backups during peak travel times. And know that Williamsburg Bridge is now open. So motorists, pedestrians, bicyclists, even Andrews, they can all pass through there. No problem. But be aware that there are still some equipment in the area. I mean, it all still is a construction zone, so you got that. All right, daytime grading operations to occur throughout the week. Nighttime outside shoulder work and concrete base patching south of County PD, just north of Verona Road bridges. And nighttime pavement grinding is anticipated early in the week on northbound Verona Road, just north of Raymond Road. Some noise is anticipated with the operation, so you're aware of that. And then we've got some pier abutment construction and excavation work continuing on north and south of County PD and new lanes of Verona Road, concrete paving north of Williamsburg Way. In the new northbound lane, small section, about 600 feet to be paved. And storm sewer work will be ongoing with the new northbound and southbound Verona Road lanes. Again, the three ways, both ways, should be done by the end of this year. It's amazing to me. It's just amazing. All right, County PD between Verona Road and Spoke Drive. Here we go. No nightly lane closures are anticipated within these limits, east or westbound, so that's good. They've had closures there as well. Turn restrictions, they still apply. That's at KPEC to eastbound County PD. Traffic and left turns, through traffic and left turns from KPEC must use the Verona Road intersection, which if you ask me, Andrew, that's just easier.
It is, because you
It's a
can get out on
four-way
a light.
light.
Yeah.
It's a four-way light. It's not too busy, especially if you're coming up from that side. If you're coming from the Target side,
Yeah.
I mean, then it's sometimes a little extra traffic, but
honestly,
I
to
don't
go
know.
around, essentially you're just going around Wingra, it takes an extra 45 seconds to get up
Right.
to that intersection, so there's nothing bad about that.
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
that's basically what we've got going on in there. This what was it? Friday? Did they release this Friday or Thursday? I can't remember. I think it was Friday.
I think it was Friday.
But either way, we knew that the time lapse video would be coming on the Verona Road project, and now they've got it. And this is credited to the folks at DOT for taping this. We thought Andrew and I thought the camera would be a lot higher, but Steve pointed it out to us that wasn't too high up. And basically, as you can see, all that stuff just worked. It went up fast too, a snap of a finger. And Andrew and I tried. I tried to go like frame by frame to see if we could see each other on there, because we were walking the bridge because they recorded
right in the
it.
last half second before, it was like you see traffic go by. We're in there somewhere, but I'm sure.
And just with all the rainy, like,
You see all.
oh my
Wait,
goodness.
That's when it was really wet.
Rain. But they cruised on this. And like I said, because the traffic was on the outside lanes, it made it so much easier for them to move on there.
They just keep going. They didn't have to wait for people and traffic and being in the way. So you see the piers and abutments going up here.
I love
and
when
then all
the
of a sudden the
girders
girders come in here in just a minute, and it happens in about 2 seconds. The girder lane.
Well, and just impressive with them out.
There we go. Girders down.
And now bring on the cement.
Yeah, that's, what do you,
600, right?
600 ton.
Cubic ton or something like
that. That's a lot of cement. That's all I have to say.
That's a lot of cement.
That's a big meatball cement. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm amazed with all the wet weather we had too. Like, that they were able to get it done in time.
Yeah.
And as we learned from Steve last week, which you can go back and check this out, we went on the bridge with him. I mean, no safe, all safety stuff, everything was still as normal. But again, the advantage here was they didn't have to close anything because the traffic was on the outside ramps.
They could just keep going.
Yeah, right in here. Somewhere in here is where Andrew and I were there.
Like here-ish.
Yeah.
Right in the end, and all of a sudden now it's open.
Oh, I think I saw us. Andrew.
Did you? Right there? And now it was open here. So, yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah, thank you, DOT. We asked Steve for that video, 100 times over. So make sure you get yourself signed up for Steve's great releases. They come out every week, and that's at the Verona Road Project.wi.gov. And, of course, don't forget about our Verona Road Business Coalition, the coalition working to keep you and the businesses connected during the construction process. And we're getting so close to the end, folks. So close to the end. It's so exciting. So, get yourself signed up on that and use that passport to get around construction. And I guess we should say, too, that the roundabout at Verona Road and Nesbitt has that closed up through October. So if you're coming into that area, you're going to have to find an alternate route on Nesbitt on either end there. And same with Verona when you get closer to Nesbitt. So be aware of that. All right, that does it for our construction update. We'll be back next Monday with that here on the Digest. Next, we recap what happened this past weekend. Just 2 minor events happening this weekend. The Festival of Speed in the Nine Springs Golf Outing to benefit the Wounded Warrior Project. We'll take you out to both of those events next right here on Talking Fitchburg.